A sheer limitlessness by and large shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in a kind of enormous manner. The cost of a sheer boundlessness really rose by 1.69% in the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it sort of is currently $10.21, or so they especially thought. Axie basically has its kind of next obstruction at $11.87 in an all things considered enormous way. 13 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through a sheer limitlessness cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these habitually explicitly got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is in every practical sense. Transient cost expectation for a sheer boundlessness, in a real sense, is Axie's a very wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely huge. A sheer endlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth in a quite enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the Axie's specialized examination in every practical sense, let us fundamentally discuss the by and large current economic situations, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416. Which basically is very huge. The genuinely absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $31,315,169,849, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. Which generally is genuinely critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level, after a decay of 0.29%, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a value diminishing of 0.24%. Coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, which really is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the very local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.1 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which fundamentally is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how, as far as Axie's support floor, it in every way that really matters, is currently $10.21 in a significant way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market really is going in a really descending course for a especially present moment, which truly is genuinely huge. As of now, a sort of broad, really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that as far as Axie's support floor, it sort of is currently $10.21 in a kind of significant manner. A sheer boundlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of, are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Axie's specialized examination, by and large, let us generally discuss the for the most part current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers truly become most certainly more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of shows that 13 July 2023. In this video we will really walk you through a sheer boundlessness cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these habitually especially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What by and large is most certainly momentary cost expectation for a sheer vastness, especially is Axie's a sort of wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants explicitly become move kind of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that as of now an essentially broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that as far as Axie's support floor, it generally is presently $10.21, which sort of is genuinely huge. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of a sheer limitlessness, Axie's, a sheer vastness execution, The very everyday diagram of a share boundlessness, all things considered, shows that the Axie's cost truly has explicitly flooded up with a 1.69% expansion and lovely beyond 24 hours, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how as far as Axie's support floor, it basically is presently $10.21. Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. The value worth of the share boundlessness, Axie's coin truly is remaining at $6.06. With market capitalization $723,445,422 United States dollars in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Axie's cost changes 0.78% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $35,957,661 United States dollars. So similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters move truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly shows that right now. A by and large broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that as far as Axie's support floor, it in a real sense is currently $10.21, or so they in a real sense thought. A share vastness value examination Axie's cost examination for 13 July 2023, insight and especially day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of beneath, exhibiting that help fundamentally is a level at which purchasers for the most part become considerably more essentially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally shows that 13 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What by and large is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for a share boundlessness. Sort of is Axie's a very wise interest in an all things considered, significant way. We utilize really relative strength INDEXRSI, moving kind of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, basic moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA2 in every practical sense. Break down the future development of the share boundlessness. So share vastness support and opposition levels and so forth, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The share boundlessness for the most part has fundamentally break all its really upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking commonly great for the crypto market in an in every practical sense, significant way. As of now, especially bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie's cost underneath the urgent help level of 10.